Hey everyone, big news for all you TNPSC aspirants out there. The Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission has officially announced the results for Group 4 exams for 2024. Yes, you heard that right. If you've been eagerly waiting to see how you fared, now's the time to find out. Head over to tnpsc.gov.in and check your marks. The direct link to the results is conveniently placed on the homepage, so no need to dig around. Before you rush off, let me give you a quick rundown on how to check your results. First, visit the official TNPSC website. You'll spot a link titled Group 4 Results 2024 right on the main page. Click that and enter your registration number and date of birth. Boom! Your results will be right there. Now let's talk about what's next. If you cleared the exam, congratulations. You'll be moving on to the counselling and document verification phase. Make sure you have all your paperwork ready and keep an eye on the official website for updates on the dates and procedures. For those who didn't make it, don't lose heart. Remember, every failure is a stepping stone to success. Take this as a learning experience and come back stronger next time. You've got this. And hey, to stay updated with the latest news on exams, results and everything in between, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon. You wouldn't want to miss out on any important updates, right? Thanks for tuning in and best of luck to everyone checking their results. See you in the next video.